Hello, my fellow eggheads. My name is Liz. I'm a certified repair technician. Today we're going to go over what to do when you boot up your HP laptop and it gets stuck. And then even more ominously, that little circle, that stops too. That's not a good day. Anyway, we're going to go over what to do, and we're going to start with step one. If you find this video in any way helpful, please like and subscribe for more great content. Okay, so first step, unplug your laptop or desktop and hold down the power button for 5 seconds. This will help it reset, and then you're going to try to turn it on again. If it works, excellent. If not, let's move on to the next step, which will be testing your hardware. All right, first thing as you can see I've done is hit power, and I've started tapping on the escape key. I'm doing this to access HP's built-in diagnostic software. We're going to test for a hardware problem. First thing we're going to do, now that we're in the startup menu, we're going to use the arrow keys, or for some computers, you can use your mouse. Okay, now I'm going to hit System Diagnostics. It's going to be a language screen. I'm going to hit English. Next, I'm going to do symptom tests. So is, as you can see, all system passed. So in this scenario, we move on to diagnosing the operating system. If you had your memory fail, then go down into down below. We show you how to change and upgrade your memory in the video below this. Or if your hard drive or solid state drive failed, then down below we have a video on how to replace and install Windows 11. So that would be your next step if one of those two things failed. So in my case, everything passed. So the next step would be going and checking your operating system. Demonstrating it on my other computer, I hit power and immediately start tapping on my escape button. So back at the boot menu, I select F11 System Recovery. From here, select Troubleshoot. Then on the next page, reset this PC. Now you have two options. Keep My Files does not work as well, but you will keep all your files, but remove everything is the absolute best way to fix an issue like this. You can try Keep My Files first, but I'm going to go with remove everything, but although I will lose all my data. Local reinstall is the next thing I'm going to do. And then once again, remove my files, or just remove my files, or fully clean the drive, The reset, I'm going to hit the reset button, but that's how you go ahead and reset your computer. If for any reason this doesn't work, the next step in the troubleshooting method would be to reinstall the operating system. We have a video on that down below, how to reinstall Windows. So that's how you do it. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.